When we connect all communities, we can remove barriers to education and open up a world of new prospects for more than 800 million curious young minds. When we cut traffic by 10%, the average cost of time wasted in major cities will go down by $700 million per year. When we speed up loan approval from 7 days to 5 minutes, more than 20 million small businesses in China will get the support they need to keep their doors open. Technology is a part of us, making life more convenient, boosting industries, and enriching society. Together, we can harness this momentum and create incredible new value for everyone.